Hey everybody, it's Melissa Hailey with Agent Advantage Coaching and Training. Today we have a quick tip, and this video is all about pop-by marketing. And we're just going to answer a couple of questions that I get quite often regarding pop-bys. So number one, what is a pop-by? Well, this is when you pop by to drop off a small gift or a marketing item to someone at their home or even at their work. And this could be anything from maybe a real estate market update report or a newsletter, or maybe even a seasonal gift. For example, you might take a little cellophane bag and put some candy in it around Valentine's Day, and then you drop it off with a cute little note that says how much you love helping people with their real estate transactions, right? And then say Happy Valentine's Day. Now, number two, the question I get is, well, what should you do? Why should you do these? Well, the reason why is because you want people to know you're thinking of them. It helps you build relationships with them. And real estate is definitely a relationship game. So you definitely want to make sure that you're connecting with your people and nurturing those relationships along. The more that you do that, the more success that you're going to find as a real estate agent. Now, number three, my question would be, who should I target? Lots of agents target their past clients or even their current clients, as well as their sphere of influence, and sometimes even like a geographic farm area that they're trying to work. And if it is someone that you know that you're going to drop this off to, you may even want to call or text them ahead of time before you stop by, just to see if they're free for a short chat. Now, you don't want to stay very long, and you can always just tell them, I can't stay because I've got to go deliver these other gifts to some other folks. So I hope they found this helpful today regarding pop-by marketing. And if you did find it helpful, or if you want to know what other classes we have coming up for education, please check us out online or like, follow, and subscribe, and you'll stay in the loop with all of the things that we've got going on. Have a great day.